Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a very special surprise for you guys. I received my package from RR Racing, and basically it's the tune. I got my tune file here, or tune device actually. I got my carbon fiber intake. I got a little breather, K&N breather thing. My USRS Ultimate Steering Response System, USRS. Ultimate Steering Response System. So I got my USRS RR Racing. I got some titanium header wrap. I have some intake silicone tubes. And RR Racing. Check it out. Here are the headers. Got some awesome headers here. They're the PPE headers. Pretty awesome. No cats, obviously. Yeah, so what I'm going to be doing almost immediately, because I can't really install that header myself, so unfortunately there won't really be a video step-by-step instructions or anything like that regarding that, but what I will be doing is installing this intake tube, the intake, and doing my own tune. So I have the tune and we will be going through it together. So you know, bear with me guys. This will be my first tune ever on my car, so wish me luck, and let's knock it out together. Hopefully we all learn something. There's like installation instructions here, so shouldn't be too difficult. Wish me luck. Later. Alrighty guys, so we are here. I hope you guys can see this. I wonder if you can see it.
Daddy?
Yes ma'am.
Are you recording?
I am recording.
Hi.
So I'm actually doing a tune for my car. We're going to change the car's computers so that it delivers more power and we can have a better driving experience. Wish me luck, mama.
I will.
All right. So one thing we had to do is download this client software to even use the device. There's directions here. It says, you know, download the MyGenius client software, install the software, connect the device, and update the device. So once your device is updated, unplug it from your PC or laptop, and using the OBD cable provided, plug the device into your OBD port located underneath the steering column. Select the work option, then select the Lexus option, then IS2. We're actually not going to do that because we're over here at the 350, so it says basically select the 350, same selection for GS, IS, RC, obviously. So work, Lexus, and then we're going to select IS350, 350, 3.5 V6. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to download our ECU ID. So once you have selected the correct protocol configuration, step 4, select work again and select ID. Follow the on-screen instructions in order to ID your ECU. So that's what we're going to do right now. Hang on tight and let's rock and roll. All right guys, play. Alright guys, so I actually grabbed the device. It's all updated. We set up the little OBD2 connector up top. We got the directions and we are ready to rock and roll. So let's go out there and give it a shot. There it is. There's my beautiful car. Let's see. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you guys. I got this little light, this door light that shoots the Lexus logo on the floor. Let's see. I got my hands full, but basically it looks like that. It's pretty cool. So, hang on tight guys. So, as you can see, here's the OBD2 port, and we're going to go ahead and set our connector in. So hang on tight guys. Put you down. Let's do this. Let's grab this baby. You want to just be careful that you don't damage your prongs. So let's make sure we got it all up. Ooh, boom. All right. So automatically you can see that the device turned on. I hope you guys can see it says work, reset, info. So what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to select work. Okay, we're in a Lexus. I think what we're looking for is so right, actually we're in RC, and we got the 3.5. All right, switch on. So switch on the dashboard, check the connections, and press OK to OK. All right, so let's go ahead and all right, we got the dash on, and then we're gonna hit OK. So wait, starting communication. Identification ECU communication process. Switch off the dashboard to continue. All right, so let's go ahead and switch this off. Boom. Okay. So let's hit OK. It says protocol identify flash 0555 CAN. Okay. So right now what we're doing is we're gonna go ID, switch on the dashboard, check the connections, and press OK. All right. Dashboard is on. Let's go ahead and hit OK. So it's starting communication. All right, we're gonna go ahead and switch this off again. Task successfully completed. All right. Beautiful. So what now? All right, we managed to identify our ECU. So it says once you have selected the correct protocol configuration in step 4, select work again and select ID. Follow the on-screen instructions in order to ID your ECU. Please note that MyGenius gives you a message that cannot identify the ECU and asks you whether you want to proceed in manual mode. Please select OK. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and take the file. We're gonna send it over to servicerrracing.com, and they will send us the tune file. So they probably are not gonna do that tonight. So I will catch up with you guys tomorrow. All right. Have a good night, guys. Bye. Alrighty, guys. So we are ready for the next step. It is the next morning. Got the MyGenius set up. Right now it's initializing communication progress. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and upload the file I received from RR Racing. And we're gonna go ahead and upload it to the MyGenius. Go up here to desktop. We're gonna go, this is a stock file, this is the tune file. So we're gonna open the tune file. Let's go ahead and open it. Verifying file.
Hi.
What's up, babe? Let me get the cartoon.
Nice.
All right. Write modified file to your Genius device, ready to upload to your car. All right, so select a file to upload. Okay, we already got it. So let's go next. Do you want to upload this file to my Genius device? I'm gonna go confirm. Bad boy, what's up, buddy? What's up, Papa? We're gonna get the cartoon today, buddy. Are you excited?
He's like, whatever.
Bebe, are you excited, Papa?
Bear, be excited.
I think he wants to go outside.
Baba, do you want to go outside? He just wants to bark at somebody.
Bebe, you want to go outside, Baba?
They weren't real dogs, Bear. It was just on a video.
There's Zelly. Where's Rocco's? Rocco!
Rocco!
Alright, procedure completed successfully. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and close.
Rocco!
Now.
Probably peeing somewhere.
Oh, you gotta get him, babe. Stop in order to make sure you have sufficient voltage. Okay, writing. You are now ready to write the new file to your ECU. Connect the MyGenius device to your OBD port and follow the on-screen instructions. So we're gonna plug it in. We're gonna go work, writing, select the file you wish to update to your ECU.
Hey, Rocco.
Hey, Rocco's boy.
Hey, baby boy.
Hi, Papa.
Good boy, Rocco. Zelly. Zelly, come sit next to me. Zelly.
Awesome, guys. I think that's the last step. All right, let's go outside and do this. Hold on
You're gonna
tight.
do it now?
Yep,
Right now.
right this second.
Oh man, okay. Well, I have work to do, so do it by yourself.
All right. Alrighty, guys. Let's go out here and install this tune file. So, what's up, baby? Huh? No, I'm not leaving. Huh? You look so cute, babe. Let me set up the car real quick, Jonah. Carefully insert this in the car. All right. All right, so we're gonna go work. All right, so we're ready to set up the tune file. So what the directions say is to set up work. So we're gonna do work. All right. And now it's telling us to write. So let's go ahead and write. Yep, and we're gonna go ahead. This is the correct file. We're gonna go ahead and go okay. Switch on. So it's telling me, so at no point do you guys wanna ever put your foot on the brake during this whole process. So right now it's saying, switch on the dashboard, check the connections, and press OK. So go ahead and switch on the dashboard. We got 1, we got 2. Now we're gonna go ahead and hit OK. Starting communication. So this one says code, file corrupted or not correct. Oh man, all right. Let me figure this out and I will get right back to you guys. Hold on. They had sent me the wrong file. So right now I came over here uploading the correct file, and what it's doing is we did the same process. Now it's just doing, it's actually just programming it. So ECU programming, and then it's going to go ahead and run through its processes. Heck yeah, we finally got it. It's all right, no harm, no foul. We're in the game. We are updating the ECU. So yeah, right now it's just a waiting game. Let's see what happens. It's a beautiful day out today too. Let's check out these little processes. What happens over here? Yeah, the first time it says the file was incorrect or corrupt. This time, as soon as you set up the plug in the OBD2, you select work, Lexus, writing, and then it'll give you the option to just start doing it right away. So It's actually pretty easy as long as you have all the right tools, all the right programs, all the right files. The whole procedure over again, as far as identifying the ECU, this and that. Okay, so now it says switch off the dashboard to continue. All right, we're gonna go ahead and switch off the dashboard. I switched it off. We're gonna go ahead and hit OK. Writing ECU completed. We're gonna go OK. Wait, analyzing log in progress. So like I said, I had to reset this device, and I went through the whole process over again, like identifying the ECU, sending over the file, receiving the file, putting it on the MyGenius, and then basically updating the ECU. So all in all, it literally took like 10 minutes. So the first time you do it, it's like real confusing. You're kind of stressed out, you're paranoid. But at this point, you know, doing it twice knocked it out in 10 minutes the second time. So pretty much that's it. Let's go ahead and unplug this bad boy. Let's unplug it. Boom. All right, we got it unplugged. ECU is updated. Moment of truth, guys. And just stop, steering wheel harder to turn. Why, bro? All right, it turned on normally this time. We'll just let it warm up, see what's going on. Hopefully we won't get any weird check engine lights. All right, hold on a second. So basically, let's give this a shot, huh?